All right, you're welcome to Heroic Universal Concept International. You're welcome to Heroic Online Institute. Okay, this is introducing you to Python. Python is an extremely popular programming language. As at the time of recording this tutorial, Python is still the most popular programming language in the world, and it's amazing, isn't it? So, I believe you must be very excited to learn it with me. Okay, so I'm introducing you to Python fundamentals. Like I said, Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Gudovan Lawson and released in 1991. Okay, and the Python is used for a whole lot of stuff. Okay, it is used for web development, server side. Okay, that's back-end web development. It is used for software development. It is used for mathematics. It is used for data science, for AI. Okay, actually, Python has a very good extent found usage in almost all areas of life. It's a general purpose programming language, so it can be used to do a whole lot of things. All right, this is the creator of Python, Gudovan Lawson. Okay, it's an amazing man, as a matter of fact. Okay, now what can Python do? Python can be used on a server side to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to databases by database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping and for production-ready software development. Like I said, the summary of the whole thing is that Python has, to a very good extent, found usage in almost all areas of life. It's a general-purpose programming language. As we move on, you understand all this well, okay? Then why choosing Python? Python works on different platforms. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and other operating systems. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language, so it's simple to use, very easy to use. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines of code than some other programming languages. Okay, so in Python you don't have to write so much code to perform a task. Okay, you can write few code and perform complex tasks with it. Okay, then Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. Okay, Python can be treated in procedural way. Python can be treated in procedural way, an object-oriented way, and functional way. You see, in Python you can write Python code in procedural method way, okay, or in object-oriented way, or a functional way. It depends on how you want to write it. Okay. So just the summary of the whole thing here is that you are meant to know that once you learn Python, you have a lot of things you're going to do with it, and it has lots of flexibility. Okay, good. So that's said. Now, to start coding Python, what do you need? What text editor do you need? You can use either Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or any other text editor you're already comfortable with. Okay, you can. PyCharm is actually the default text editor you can use for Python. Okay, but you can still use Visual Studio Code. It's a popular. Visual Studio Code is a popular text editor. If you're already used to it, maybe you might prefer it. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download both of them. Now you will now decide which one you want to use. Okay, So just get ready. We have a lot and a lot and a lot to learn together and to gain together. Okay? Thank you so much. Meanwhile, Uchejo. I'm going to be your guide throughout the lecture. Thank you very much.